Good morning. How's everybody doing? This is Mare from the Okey-Dokey homestead again. As you can see, we have cold weather coming in. We're going to be having rain probably about an hour, so you can see how gray the skies are. And I just wanted to show you what I've done this week. So let me tag you along here. Alrighty, to start off with, first I got rid of our guava tree. For 3 years it gave fruit, and for 3 years it was bad fruit. Never had no taste to it, no smell like a sweet smell like guava should smell. And it just didn't taste good. Even the cows didn't eat it. Sarah Lou didn't eat it, not even the leaves. Okay, and I checked on Google about that to make sure it was safe to give it to them to begin with. And it was, but they didn't even eat it either, so they didn't like it. And then I cut down my hibiscus, because Sarah Lou got in here to our backyard one day and she chewed up the whole tree. So I went ahead and cut it back to see if maybe come spring it's going to bloom back out. But anyway, that's what's left of the hibiscus tree that we had here on the corner. So I'm going to pause you and we're going to go out to the barn and I'll show you what I did there. Okay, in the barn here, as you could see, the chute's gone. So Sarah Lou has more room there. 4-H has their camp this weekend in reference to the steers. So they came and picked up the chute so that way he could use it at the camp and able to groom his steer. And then over here in this stall, I took down, see that big standing thing? Let me see here if I get my fingers in here. Right back there, right back there. That used to be laying sideways over here, and I took that down, so that gives Snowy more room. So that's what I did in this one. Okay, I'm going to pause you, and we're going to go to the front porch where I cleaned up and finally took down Christmas out of there. So hang on, and let's get to the front porch. Okay, before we get to the front porch, I also did this side of the flower bed where I had to pull all the 4 o'clocks that they got affected by the cold weather. But the orange tree right there doesn't look too bad. And there's my key lime tree over there. That don't look too bad. Of course, the blankets are still hanging there because we're supposed to get cold weather again. So I'll have to cover them up probably by Saturday. So I did that too. And then right over here, there's the mango trees. We've been putting those inside the shed because they're able to be moved. And so far, so good with that. So, alrighty, well, let's head to the front porch for sure now. Okay, and here's the front porch. As you can see, I trimmed those because they got affected. And I do this every year. I trim them back that short, and they come back really nice in the spring. And then, of course, as you can see, I took down the stuff from Christmas that I had going down here, and I put these buckets, and I keep that Christmas tree. That tree stays all year around. I'm crazy like that. And then on the front porch, everything got cleared off, so it's nice and cleared. And that is about it. I went ahead and put the white lights up there, and they look really nice at night. So and that's about it. And as you see those little red ornaments over there, I'm waiting for them to dry out because, like I said, we've had rain again. So I got to wait till they dry out so that way I could put them away too. Well, that's it for this week. I hope you guys have had a wonderful week. I hope things are going good for you guys, and I hope the weather for you is being a lot nicer than our rain that we're having. It's good to have rain though. It's keeping our grass green, so that means my cows have green grass to eat instead of me having to worry about buying extra rolls of hay. So everything's going okie-dokie here. Everybody have a blessed day. Have a great weekend, and I'll talk to you guys next week. Bye-bye.